Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study science effectively. Start by truly understanding the fundamental principles of each topic. Don't just memorize facts, grasp the why behind them. Actively work through practice problems and examples, as this reinforces your learning. Make it a habit to review your lecture notes and textbook readings within one day of learning new material. This quick recap significantly boosts your memory and comprehension. To enhance your study sessions, try spaced repetition. This involves reviewing material at increasing intervals, which is highly effective for long-term memory. Another powerful technique is explaining difficult concepts aloud to a friend or even to yourself. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. Also, consider creating concept maps. These visual tools help you see how different ideas link together, making complex subjects more manageable. For optimal learning, always break down large, intimidating topics into smaller, more digestible chunks. This makes the material less overwhelming and easier to process. Practice active recall by regularly quizzing yourself without looking at your notes. This strengthens your memory pathways. Furthermore, try to connect new information with what you already know. Building these bridges helps you integrate new concepts more deeply and remember them longer. Maintaining your well-being is crucial for effective studying. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Your brain consolidates learning during this time. Remember to take short, regular breaks during your study sessions to avoid burnout and keep your mind fresh. A 5 to 10-minute break every hour can make a big difference. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.